Greetings and welcome back to the lab. Time for more building. I'm trying to keep these videos a little bit shorter so you don't end up with a 45-minute video watching me build something. And there's going to be a lot of music when I'm doing a lot of building. So I continue to generate some stuff from AI. So I don't have to worry as much about licensing. Although if the AI company gets in trouble because their sources that they use to train anyway, it's a whole thing. But I kind of wanted to be able to have music that I like on the video. So hopefully this is working out. We'll see. It's the grand experiment. So I'm going to pick up again and get the last couple of transistors in here. I'm going to get the buttons on. There's a couple of electrolytic capacitors to put in. I will probably put this connector on here, and I've got to get the pin headers in there. And after staring at it for a bit, I realized I got to use these, which I call the unbreakable. They're not really designed for breaking, although I guess they were designed with breaking in mind. Though you end up losing one of these pins when you do it, and then you can kind of cut it down and make it nice and neat and stick it in there. The reason I want to use these is because the header, the cables that I bought have these square pins, not the turned pins, and I can't fit the square pin in the turned pin hole. I can't put a square in a round hole. I can put them, though, in these, and it will grab reasonably well. So that's what I'm going to end up using for this. I've already got a socket for this one. I think that's all I'm actually going to need. At some point, I'm going to have to figure out how to deal with the colons, because there is that provision here for those. They're electrically set up, but I have not figured out exactly how I'm going to wire them in. So let's put that aside, and let's finish getting the components on, and then I'll start cutting these and putting them on. And here comes the music and the time lapse.
Sun's gone down, stars are lighting up the sky. Feel the beat inside, like thunder rolling high. Every step we take is a journey to unwind. Let the melody guide us where words still lie.
Well, on closer inspection, I think I'm as far as I'm going to get for the moment. I did find the last transistor. It was just stuck against some of these here, and I did use the one of them is here somewhere. Here it is. One of the displays. I used it to make sure it would fit in all three of these. Of course, you're going to turn it the right way. But should be close enough, especially since this is just temporary, being able to put that in to these headers, because ultimately I'm going to be putting DuPont wires into those headers and running them, like I said, up to here. So that's it for now. I've got to figure out the colons and a few more things, but that should get us through this part of the build. And thank you so much for watching.